remote family. I am Jeff from Remote Agent, and I hope you guys are doing good. So I'm back with another work from home job for you guys, and this one is also 100% a no phone job, which doesn't require any degree. So the opening which we have is with this company, Community Phone, and they provide phone service for home and businesses. So let's get into the job details. So they are looking for quality assurance operations manager, which is 100% remote, a full-time job. So this is a startup. They are growing 500% every year, and the main challenge right now is ensuring that every sales call meets the high standards of excellence. They measure pitching and listening skills, rapport building skills, accurate data entry into their CRM and billing systems, and more. They want to hire someone who has done this before or has significant experience doing something similar. If you have never worked at a startup, this may not be a good fit. It's fast paced and they are building everything from scratch. So, you know sales and you know systems. You cannot stand for anything less than high quality customer interactions. You know how to measure and create systems that help you continually take yourself out of the process and put those evolving pieces into the system. You are a builder at your core and love a complex challenge with lots of moving pieces. So, what you will be doing in this job role? You will monitor inbound and outbound calls and chats and evaluate agents' performance on quality of service, create reports using the quality score for every rep, as well as highlighting potential areas for improvement. You will also monitor calls and chats and all the associated CRM and billing system hygiene and overall data quality related to sales. You will provide actionable insight to management and reps and on what impacts sales and what impacts churn. You will conduct at least one-on-one, 1 hour live coaching and shadowing session per week with each rep to improve the performance of reps and deliver feedback and training. You will train new reps on the product pricing, script, and systems. You will track performance on a team and individual level. So this was the job role. However, they haven't mentioned the salary for this job role. But I checked the Glassdoor for the salary package for this kind of job role for phone quality assurance analyst, and the salary package is somewhere around $75,000 per annum. So if you're interested in this job role, it's a call quality monitoring, chat monitoring, which is 100% a no phone job. Then please go ahead and apply for the same. I will share the link below in the description. So I hope so you enjoyed today's video, and if you're looking for a work from home opportunity, if you're looking for a no phone job or a phone job, then please subscribe to our channel because we daily upload such kind of work from home job videos on our channel. So thank you so much for watching and you have a wonderful day.